Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and entering the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings, so let's tap on them. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. And here scroll down to find Device Identifiers, I believe, or not, or Device Details. Here we've got the model, and after tapping on it, we've got the serial number of this device. So again, just go to Device Details and tap on Model, which is at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.